My child, today we are unveiling the code that will keep her mind locked onto you day and night. Buckle up as we step into the electrifying current of unlocking irresistible traits that'll have her utterly captivated. Traits that aren't just about wooing, but weaving an unbreakable bond she'll yearn for. Point number 1, the power of respect. Gentlemen, remember, the heart of an alpha beats with respect. It's not just about opening doors, it's about valuing her opinions, dreams, and aspirations like pure gold. When she feels like you're a partner who cherishes her uniqueness, she won't be able to get enough of your presence. Point 2, nurturing care and undivided attention. Picture this. You're a soothing oasis in her chaotic world. Your attention isn't given, it's an art form. Your ability to listen, truly listen, creates a bond that weaves her thoughts with yours. When you're attuned to her needs, showing you genuinely care, you create a magnetic connection she'll crave like a desert craves rain. Point 3, ignite the flames of passion. Passion isn't just a word, it's a symphony of emotion. Fuel her desires by pursuing your own passions with unbridled zeal. Your relentless pursuit of excellence ignites sparks that'll dance between you two. As she witnesses your fire, she won't be able to escape the enchanting blaze you have kindled. Point 4, the shield of protection. In the age of individuality, be the fortress that stands unyielding. It's not about smothering her, it's about demonstrating you'll stand by her side through life's tempests. Your unwavering support, both emotionally and physically, fosters an unbreakable trust. She'll find solace in your arms, knowing you are her haven of security. Point 5, mystique and playful intrigue. The art of enigma. Keep her on her toes with a dash of playful mastery. Share your stories in tantalizing snippets, leaving her yearning for the full tapestry of your experiences. Just as a masterful magician keeps the audience guessing, your alluring aura of intrigue will keep her guessing and craving more of your enigmatic charm. My charismatic trailblazers, by mastering these 5 magnetic principles: respect, nurturing care, passionate pursuits, unwavering protection, and the allure of enigma, you will etch an indelible mark on her heart. Remember, it's not about following a script, it's about crafting an authentic connection that leaves her thoughts entwined with yours. Go forth and conquer, you irresistible forces of nature. Wake up.